Hello, SalonDivaV in the place to be, and today we are going to be planting beets, y'all. All right, so we have our beets in this bag, and I have not had success with planting beets just yet, but guess what? Like I said in my previous video, today is a new day and this is a new garden season. So we're starting our fall seeds. And this is the tall top early wonder. So I'm just going to take and put that out, lay that down right there, and just take what's in the bag. Just take me a couple of them out there. And as you guys can see, I've already pre-dug a little trench within my trenches. So I'm just going to broadcast a couple of these. And it might be too many, but I have 1 million seeds. And a friend told me the other day to stop living in a scarcity mindset. So guess what? That's what I'm going to do. Stop overthinking and just plant the seeds. And there you have it, y'all. My beets. 2003 fall season. We gonna have beets, y'all. Yes, y'all. So, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for dropping in on me. I hope you watched the video to the end. Share me with your family and your friends. I have a couple of other social media handles. Instagram. I am on TikTok. Facebook, of course. And here on YouTube. So until I see you guys in the next video, y'all know what it is. Peace.